Hello everyone, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how I have made these punching gone wrong magic shots. So let's start the tutorial. So this is our video, and as you can see, let me just turn off all these other settings just to show you, and just let me bring the raw video so that you can understand better. So look at this, the hand is moving. Okay, it does some actions, and now I have paused the camera and I did some movement here and resume the camera again. I have paused the camera and captured the background of the video, that means the wall, for few seconds for the clean plate like this. Okay, all you have to do is cut on the right portion when my punch is about to hit the wall like this, but it should not hit completely. Okay, and second part, we need the hand which is on different position, it can be anything. And on the third part is we need the clean plate like this. I have cut it, and let me just unlink the audio layer from this. It should look something like this. When it about to hit the wall or any motion that you are doing with it, just cut in between of the motion. You don't cut before it, don't cut after it, just cut in between of motion. And the second shot will be your hand. And the thing that I have done is I have masked it using the mask tool under opacity. You can see the mask, and I have masked it and used the invert option to only show this portion of my hand. Okay, if I uncheck the invert portion, you can see my flattened palm, whatever. And I have used some key to animate the frames, mask around the movement of my hand. That's it. And I have also used a ultra key effect on this, because if I haven't done that ultra key, you can see this very noticeable difference, but still the color of the thing is totally different. Now let me just show you. Look at the background color is totally different. It's unnecessary to do this, but you can do it for more precise look. So as I have masked the whole area, it's not gonna affect that much. But if you don't want to mask, or if you want to mask certain portion of it, I would recommend you to use ultra key to remove the background over your clean plate. Okay, so look, when I turn off the ultra key, it looks flattened, but when I turn on it, it's making shadows and all that. It's looking sharp. This is without mask and this is with mask. And the second thing is that I have used the audio, and I wanted to tell you one thing, that in previous of my shots I have used AI voice with my own script, because this is a very noisy place where I live, and it's a very hard time for me to clean the audio. So that's why I have used the AI generated voice with my own script. Okay, so let me just show you the audio first and how to edit the audio properly. So let me just show you the edited version first. Out of anger when I punched on the wall, this is what you can hear, that there is a bass and the voice is very punchy. But now look at the original audio. Out of anger when I punched on the wall, it's very light. So all you have to do is go to your audio effects or select bass hard limiter. Okay, select all this and treble, and just drag this thing on your audio layer. Now go to control, effect controls, get the treble up to 4.7. on the custom setup, on edit, click the edit, and under default click the drop down list and select limit to -3 decibels, close it. And on the bass select E6, boost it to 6 decibels. Now hear the difference. Out of anger when I punched on the wall, but still it's not that loud. Okay, so for that, right click on the selected audio layer, go to audio gain, set gain to, click on the set gain to option and select it to 7.7 decibels and click OK. And now look the difference. Out of anger when I punched on the wall, this is what happened. Now I don't know how to get back my hand. But there is a problem. There are lots of blank spaces around this audio. So all you have to do is cut the blank spaces and rejoin them together like this. and now nest this. By doing this, it will become smooth and fluent. Out of anger when I punched on the wall, this is what happened. Perfect. So the next thing that I have done is I have add a music layer from YouTube audio library, and this is Gully Dreams by Hanu Dixit. I have used some effects on it. I have used the same thing, bass, hard limiter and studio reverb, and I used the studio reverb to mastering reverb from the preset. And I also decreased the level to minus 19 decibels. So it looks something like this now. Out of anger when I punched on the wall, this is what happened. Okay, perfect. Now there is more parts to be done. Now I'm going to mute all this so that my voice can be heard properly. So this is the thing that I do in almost all of my shorts, that I use text as a caption for each and every word, like text per word. Okay, and I have used Unisans font. Appearance is white and the stroke is 24 and there is a shadow. And now I have added my initials. It's a PNG that I have made long time ago, and after that I have added an adjustment layer. In the adjustment layer I have used lightning effect. Projected value is 38 and intensity is 30. So I would recommend you, if you are making shorts, make it brighter, make it poppy in color, and this is what it looks after using the adjustment layer. So this is the video that came out after all of this. Out of anger when I punched on the wall, this is what happened. Now I don't know how to get back my hand. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please drop a like, and if you are new to my channel, I would request you to subscribe me for more video VFX and tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great time. Bye.